Hey chickadees! Hi hummingbirds! I really miss you! It's Christiane! Hi! I miss you all so much! I really miss you. I'm giving you a virtual hug. Alright, today I am going to teach you how to make banana bread. So you're going to need a grown-up to turn on the oven and to help you bake it. You can't go near the oven, obviously. And you're going to need a grown-up to help you with a lot of this. But I got to tell you that when this banana bread comes out, it is going to taste unbelievable. Oh, you are going to be so excited. The hardest part about banana bread is waiting for it to be done because it smells so good when it's baking. All right, you ready? Here we go. All right, so the first thing you're going to do if you make banana bread is you're going to get a grown-up to turn your oven on to 350 degrees. But you don't have to worry about that. Someone else is going to take care of that. So the first thing I'm going to do when I bake my bread is I'm going to grease a loaf pan. So you can either spray cooking spray in here or you can take butter. I'm just taking some butter and I'm spreading it around and around in the pan. I'm greasing the pan so that the bread doesn't stick when it cooks, when it bakes. So what you're going to need is 1 stick of butter. You're going to need white flour, some whole wheat flour, some salt, baking powder, sugar, eggs, 3 very ripe bananas, because the riper they are, the better the bread will taste, vanilla extract, and I'm going to add walnuts, but you don't have to. Also going to add some unsweetened coconut, but you don't have to either. You can add chocolate chips if you like. All right, and those are all the ingredients. So first I'm going to mix the dry ingredients together. So I'm going to start with my flour, and I'm going to use 1.5 cups, which is a measurement. So 1, I'm almost at 1. A grown-up or an older brother or sister can help you do this. 1 cup, and then I need a 1/2 cup. And now I'm going to use 1/2 cup of whole wheat flour. Half a cup of whole wheat. I'm going to add that. I am going to add a teaspoon of salt, which is also a measurement, and you can get an adult to help you with that, a grown-up. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Okay. All right. I'm going to mix these together. Then, after I've done that, I'm going to get my wet ingredients. So I'm going to cream the butter. I'm going to take the butter out and put it in a bowl. Take it out of the wrapper. I'm going to mash it. I'm going to mash the butter. I'm going to push it to the sides of the bowl. So now I am going to beat in 2 eggs. I'm going to add that to the bowl with the butter, and I'm also going to add my ripe bananas. So now I'm going to beat in the eggs and the bananas. So I'm going to add 1 banana, 2 bananas, Now I'm going to beat all these together. I want to mush the bananas and mix everything up together. The bananas with the eggs and the butter. Don't you think this is going to be so good? The hardest part for banana bread is actually waiting for it to bake. I'm going to use a fork. Well, you know, it might have been a little easier if I had mushed the bananas first with a fork, but that's okay. There are a lot of different ways to do things. That is for sure.
Mama, now and then I'm gonna come home.
Day-o,
Day-o, something's coming and I'm gonna go home.
Banana till the morning come.
Daylight comes and we wanna go home.
Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana.
Daylight comes and we wanna go home.
Now I am going to take my wet ingredients and I am going to stir this mixture into the dry ingredients. I'm gonna mix these, but I don't wanna mix them too much. So I'm just gonna mix them enough so that they're combined, which means together. I just wanna make sure it's all together in the bowl. I washed my hands before I started baking, so my hands were very clean. I was very, very, very careful. I washed them with soap and water in the sink in the bathroom. I may need to wash them again for 1 second so I can finish. Okay, now I'm gonna take my vanilla extract. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon in. I'm gonna measure it first, and then I'm gonna pour it into the bread. I'm also going to add nuts, but that is optional, which means you only do it if you want to do it. So now I'm mixing all my ingredients together with the spatula, and it looks like it's ready. Now I'm gonna take my raw ingredients and put them in here in my grease baking pan, and then I'm gonna bake it in the oven. But you're gonna get a grown-up to help you with that part. So I'm gonna put this in the oven and it's gonna cook for a while, and then we're gonna take it out. You have to stick a toothpick in to know when it's done, but you can bake it from anywhere between 45 to 60 minutes. 60 minutes is an hour. Okay, here we have it all together, and it's about to go into the oven. This is called the batter, and this is what batter is, what the ingredients are before you cook them. And then after you cook them, you get your bread or your pancakes or your cake or whatever it is you're baking. All right? All right, see you in 45 minutes. I'm gonna go put this in the oven. I'll be right back. Whoa, look, it came out. Hi, look at it. Can everybody tell? The banana bread's good. I can't wait to eat it. It's still really warm, so I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes on a windowsill. I'm gonna let it cool, and then I'm gonna have it with a glass of milk. I can't wait.